Okay, yeah, Raw Kings. Okay, we on another level. Haters, we got several. We on another level. Haters, we got several. Yeah, you already know. Reppin' Dark City, you already know. We on another level. Haters, we got several. We on another level. Haters, we got several. Yeah, you already know. Reppin' Dark City, you already. Okay, what it do? It be Stunner K, reppin' Jersey. Like every day I'm stunting so long, reppin' Dark City, you know I'm gonna go hard. You know I put on for my city 24/7. You know we straight chillin', I'ma go hard. You know it's like that, you don't even want no beef. Yeah, I'm all about it, dog. You better fall back, I'ma get that patty work with all that. It's Stunner K, cause you know my flow is so futuristic. Nah, I'ma go really hard. You know that's me, stunning real hard. You know I'm gonna kill the game. Stunner K is over for your lanes. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, Raw Kings. Yeah, yeah. Dark City. Shout out to the kid Slick and Two Tone. Yeah.